Hi, this is Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable full screen on Android. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. In this video, we are going to learn how to enable full screen in Android. Like if we were especially viewing an image, then we want to view that on full screen. Here what we're going to implement is that we're basically hiding the notification status bar and enabling the full screen mode. So how to do it? It's so simple. As you can see my phone, there is still the notification button on my screen, and I want to make it full screen. So you can just open your settings on your phone. Now you can scroll down, you can go to additional settings, tap on additional settings. In here you can just scroll down and you'll find there is an option full screen display. You can just tap on that. Now here from buttons, you can choose to gesture to make your screen full on your phone. So the navigation button will be hidden from your screen, and you can use gesture to navigate your phone. And if you can't find your full screen settings on your phone, you can just search the settings on the search bar in here. You can just write like this and search for the settings. It's so simple, right? So that is how to enable full screen on your Android phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.